More harder questions. We're going to have the same steps as we were just doing, but we're going to include some negative numbers. So this first one, 2x plus 6 equals 4. Looking at the steps. Remember I told you always do the add or subtract first, and then the divide or multiply. So subtract 6 from each side. Okay, that's the first thing I did. Subtract 6 from both sides to end up with 2x equals negative 2. Then divide both sides by whatever this is multiplied, which is 2. Okay, so 2x divided by 2 is just x. Negative 2 divided by 2 is negative 1. Okay, so remember, always these steps first. Whatever the number is, you add or subtract it. If it's, in this case, we're added, right? So you do subtract. In this one here, this one looks tricky. But remember, a 3 just sitting here by itself is kind of like a plus 3. And our goal is to get, in this case, we're going to subtract 3 from both sides, because 3 minus 3 is 0. And that's really what we want to do, is we want to get rid of that 3. So I'm going to subtract 3 from each side to get rid of this. And you end up with minus 4x equals 20. The next step, you do the add or subtract, and then you do the divide. Divide by negative 4. Divide each side by negative 4. 20 divided by negative 4 is 5. Okay? So always this step, then this step. Well, try some more questions on your own.